British slang for relationships and dating, part 9. Want to talk about love and relationships like a true Brit? In today's lesson, we're covering 5 more slang words for relationships and dating. So by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to say when talking about romance. This is part 9 of our British slang speaking course. So if you missed the previous parts, check them out after this. Welcome back to your daily cup of English. I'm Jimmy, and today we're learning 5 British slang words for relationships and dating. So, whether you're talking about someone you like and flirting or discussing relationships, you'll sound like a local. I'll break down their meanings, show you how to pronounce them, and then you'll hear them in action, in a real conversation, in a cafe. And of course, you'll get to practice speaking along so you can start using them right away. And don't forget, part 10 is coming up next. So make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss the next part. Now, let's get started. Here are the British slang words for relationships and dating. First one is fancy. To like or to be attracted to someone. Example sentence. I think he fancies you. Now the pronunciation is fancy. Fancy. Yeah. So fancy. Okay. Your next romantic slang word is snog. Snog. To kiss passionately. Your example sentence would be, they were snogging at the party. And snog, pronunciation, it rhymes with dog. Dog, snog. Snog, dog. So pronounced in the same similar way. And your next romantic, well, this one's not quite so romantic, but it's to do with romance, and it's pulling. Pulling. Now, the meaning of this is flirting with or successfully attracting someone. And example sentence is, did you see him pulling that girl at the bar? Okay, and the pronunciation is pulling. Okay, now number 4 is mate. Now it's really very, very British one, or possibly Australian. And the meaning of this is a casual way to say friend. But you can also refer it to a partner. Now your example sentence, he's my best mate. He's my best mate. Now, pronunciation, it rhymes with late. Late, mate. So late, and then mate. Okay? Now, our last slang, this is one I use all the time if I'm talking about the missus. It's the other half. The other half. It means, well, it's a term for boyfriend, girlfriend, spouse, wife, husband. It's the other half. Now, the example sentence, I'm meeting the other half for dinner. Now, the pronunciation is the half. Other half. Other half. Other half. Okay? Other half. Now for the speaking practice. Firstly, let me tell you how it works. First part is listen only. Now listen carefully as you hear a full conversation using all 5 of these slang words. Pay close attention to how they are naturally used in context. Part 2, it's your turn. Now it's your turn to speak. One side of the conversation will be muted, okay? And you'll see the words on the screen. I want you to read them out aloud as if you and I are having a conversation. This will help you get comfortable using these slang words in a real conversation. Now, part 3. We swap roles. I say what you just said and you say what I just said. So you get a chance to say both sides of the conversation. This will give you a full interactive experience and make sure you really understand and remember these slang words. So, are you ready? Now for our conversation using British slang, and imagine we're in a cafe, coffee shop, cafe. Okay, are you ready? Here we go. Ready? So, how was the party last night?
Not bad. I think Jake fancies Emma, though. He couldn't stop staring at her.
I knew it, I knew it. Did he actually make a move?
Oh, yeah. They were snogging in the corner by the end of the night.
No way. Looks like he was pulling all night.
Yeah. He's got some confidence. I'll give him that.
Well, fair play to him. Meanwhile, I was just chatting with my mates. No pulling for me.
Haha. Maybe next time. Anyway, my other half is meeting me here soon.
Nice. Tell her I said hi.
Will do. Now let's order. I need a coffee. After last night.
Same here, mate. So, how was the party last night? I knew it, I knew it. Did he actually make a move? No way. Looks like he was pulling all night. Well, fair play to him. Meanwhile, I was just chatting with my mates. No pulling for me. Nice. Tell her I said hi. Same here, mate. Not bad. I think Jack fancies Emma, though he couldn't stop staring at her. Oh, yeah. They were snogging in the corner by the end of the night. Yeah? He's got some confidence. I'll give him that. Maybe next time. Anyway, my other half is meeting me here soon. Will do. Now, let's order. I need a coffee after last night. And that's it. You have just learnt 5 slang words for relationships and dating and practiced them in a real conversation. Now it's your turn. Try using them in your daily English practice. Bit of a challenge for you. Drop a comment below using one of these slang words in a sentence. I'll be reading and replying to as many as I can. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss part 10 of our English or British English slang speaking course. Next time, we'll cover even more slang words you need to sound like a native Brit. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.